Hey there, fellow social butterflies. Are you tired of making social mistakes with your friends? Do you want to strengthen your relationships and become a better friend? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the 5 common social mistakes that can sabotage your friendships. But don't worry, I'll also be sharing practical solutions to help you avoid these pitfalls and cultivate healthier, more fulfilling relationships. But before we jump into the specifics, let's take a moment to reflect on the importance of friendship in our lives. Think about it. When was the last time you laughed until your stomach hurt with your best friend, or shared a heartfelt conversation that touched your soul? These moments of connection, understanding, and support are what make life truly meaningful. Friendship is not just about having someone to hang out with or share a meal. It's about having someone who understands you, accepts you for who you are, and stands by your side through thick and thin. Friends are the family we choose, the confidants we trust, and the companions who enrich our journey through life. But as much as we cherish our friendships, we're all human, and sometimes we make mistakes, unintentional missteps that can strain even the strongest of bonds. That's why it's essential to recognize these social pitfalls and take proactive steps to avoid them. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on personal development and relationships. Let's get started. We've all been there, unintentionally committing social blunders that leave us cringing in embarrassment. But fear not. Today we're shining a light on 5 awful social mistakes that you need to stop making with your friends. From canceling plans last minute to constantly talking about yourself, these behaviors can chip away at the foundation of your friendships if left unchecked. But fret not, I'm here to guide you through each mistake and offer practical solutions to help you become a better friend and foster stronger connections. So, let's jump right in. Mistake 1. Canceling plans. Last minute. You've made plans with your friend weeks in advance, only to receive a last-minute text saying they can't make it. Sound familiar? Canceling plans last minute is not only disrespectful but also shows a lack of consideration for your friend's time and effort. So, what's the solution? Solution. First and foremost, communicate early and honestly. If something comes up and you can't make it, let your friend know as soon as possible. Apologize sincerely and offer to reschedule. Remember, showing respect for your friend's time is key to maintaining a healthy friendship. Mistake 2. Constantly talking about yourself. Everyone has had a friend who is always talking about themselves, right? Constantly dominating the conversation with stories about their own life can make your friend feel overlooked and undervalued. So, how can you avoid this? Solution. Practice active listening and show genuine interest in your friend's life. Ask open-ended inquiries and urge them to talk about their ideas and experiences. Remember, conversations are a two-way street, and showing empathy and interest in your friend's life can strengthen your bond. Mistake 3. Always being late. The perennial latecomer. We all know one. Constantly keeping your friend waiting can be frustrating and disrespectful. Being punctual shows respect for your friend's time and effort in making plans with you. But how can you kick this bad habit? Solution. Plan ahead and prioritize punctuality. Set reminders, leave earlier than you think you need to, and respect the time commitments you've made with your friend. By showing up on time, you demonstrate reliability and respect for your friend's schedule. Mistake 4. Gossiping about your friends behind their backs. Talking negatively about your friends behind their backs is a guaranteed way to spoil friendships and trust. Trust is the foundation of any healthy relationship, so it's essential to avoid engaging in harmful gossip. But how can you steer clear of this social mistake? Solution. Practice discretion and integrity in your interactions with others. If you have concerns or grievances, address them directly with your friend in a respectful and constructive manner. Remember, honesty and transparency are essential for maintaining trust and mutual respect in your friendships. Mistake 5. Being a flaky friend. And last, even the strongest of friendships can be strained by a flaky friend who frequently cancels arrangements, breaks commitments, and doesn't follow through. Your friends deserve someone they can count on, so it's crucial to avoid being unreliable. But how can you overcome this? Solution. Make a responsive effort to fulfill your commitments and stick to your word. If you say you'll be there, show up. Prioritize your friendships and invest time and effort into nurturing them. By being a reliable and trustworthy friend, you'll strengthen your relationships and build a reputation for dependability. And there you have it, my friends. 5 common social mistakes that we've all been guilty of at one point or another. But fear not, because with awareness and a little effort, we can all become better friends and cultivate stronger, more fulfilling relationships. Before we wrap up, I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to each and every one of you for joining me on this journey of self-reflection and growth. If you found today's content valuable and are committed to improving your social interactions, I encourage you to take a moment to hit that like button below. Your support not only fuels our channel, but also lets me know that this content resonates with you and inspires me to create more. And if you haven't already did, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful discussions on personal growth, relationships, and living your best life. By subscribing, you'll join our community of like-minded individuals dedicated to becoming the best versions of themselves. Finally, if you know someone who could benefit from this message, or if you've had a conversation recently that reminded you of these social mistakes, I encourage you to share this video with them. Together, let's spread awareness and foster healthier, more meaningful connections in our lives. Thank you once again for being a part of our discussion and for your ongoing support. Remember, it's never too late to become the friend you've always wanted to be. Until next time, take care, be kind to one another, and may your friendships flourish and thrive.